Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today, yes, we have a very special device for you. It's a very small brand called Soyes, and today I'm going to unbox this very small size baby phone from Soyes. And here's the model name, Soyes S23Pro. So yes, the model name is just the same or very similar to a big brand Samsung. They have the Samsung Galaxy S23Ultra and S3 series. So this time, yes, we have the Soyes S23Pro. So today I'm going to unbox it, and I will talk about the main features and specifications about this device. And from box we can find here is the smartphone outline, and also we can find some basic information: Android, camera, music, mini phone, type C, some information. So next, whoa, let's unbox it. Let's check how this phone looks like and what's inside the box. So after we open it, yeah, we get a very small soft plastic, and the smartphone is here. Before we go to smartphone, yes, we can check other stuff inside the box. So under the smartphone, whoa, it's a type C to USB cable, and a case, small size case, very funny, and also a screen protector. Okay, soft case, SIM card ejector, SIM card pin. SIM card pin size just like normal, but the case, customized case, very soft. Also just Chinese instructions, use menus. So this all stuff inside the box. Yes, let's put it aside. And yes, now we go to smartphone. So it's very small sized phone. Put the box here. So here we get a smartphone, very small size. And the color is also very similar to Samsung Galaxy S23, the dark green, and here the camera design also very similar. But I think the others are for decorate. It just gets a 5 megapixel real camera, and it supports type C. Yes, type C. Front volume buttons, power buttons, and if we wake up the screen, you find, yes, so it's a very small size. And for the main features, besides the 3-inch screen, and it also can support 2 GB RAM plus 60 GB ROM, and battery 1580. And the rear camera, the front camera, and it's based on Android 8. Okay, and also for the camera, you support autofocus and wide angle, 105 wide angle. And for the size, I can compare it with the card. So it's just same. Like the card, normal color you use. For the lens, 88.4 V's, 45.2, and thickness 11 mm. So it's for this. Besides the lens and width, thickness is just even thick. Same, just like normal phones. And for the front camera, 2 megapixel, and it supports 2G and 3G, and I can also compare it with another model I got from Nokia. It's also baby size smartphone, 3-inch display size, also very small. But for the Soyes, it's much even smaller than Nokia Ultra 503, and also a bit thin, size smaller, thin. This is also a very old model from Nokia, virtual smartphone, baby size smartphone. So let's put it aside, and next I'm going to test the camera of the Soyes S23. Okay, sorry, can we go to the normal pictures? Front, HDR, the flashlight, very small, simple HDR mode. Okay, so here some samples here. Not so clean, but it's okay. 5 megapixel. Front, not so clean as well. Normal mode, HDR mode. I'll put sample pictures at the end of the video. So yes, so this is a very quick unbox video about the mini size smartphone from Soyes S23, and thanks for watching. Let's attend waiting for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.